Now, have you ever worn sweatpants or basketball shorts and lose your wallet, money, or other valuable items? Well, my sons have that habit all the time, where they place money or wallet in their pocket, sit down in a car, on a bus, and at the end of the day, they can't find their wallet or money. I'm going to show you an easy way to add a zipper to the pocket of a jogger or basketball shorts. You can do it this way without cutting the pocket. Or you can make a slit in the pocket. Just use the seam ripper and make the slit about that wide. Put the zipper in. Open the pocket just enough so you can go through it and add the zipper. Now this is a perfect size zipper. I'm using a recycled zipper and it is 7 inches. Perfect for the pocket. Clip the sides in. I have one side pinned. I'm going to sew that and then also the other side. And here's is the functioning zipper. Cell phone, wallet, keys. And much more can fit in here.